At Mitsubishi Motors, we believe that what really matters is how a car helps you tackle life's adventures. That's why today we're introducing the all-new Grandis. It's designed for the most demanding customers of all, young families. And that means kids, so it's got to be ready for everything the day can throw at it. With clean lines, plenty of space, the latest safety, tech and connectivity, it's got it all. And with advanced hybrid technology, it's super efficient as well. The all-new Mitsubishi Grandis is named after the Latin word for large and impressive. And with good reason. It starts with a bold face, and horizontal lines give it a sense of presence and stability. A dynamic silhouette with a strong shoulder and machine-cut two-tone 19-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the wide stance and clean lighting signature give it a confident posture. Everything about the Grandis is designed to feel modern, composed and ready for anything. So for young families, it needs to be just right. These are not customers who can compromise. So the new Grandis is designed to fit your day-to-day, but adapt when life shifts gears.
They just don't know you like I do. I don't mind when you take my breath away. I could just leave it, I know, but I want to stay.
The new Grandis is compact on the outside, easy to handle, easy to park, but on the inside there's room to grow. Take the sliding rear bench, 16 centimeters of adjustable legroom or luggage space, ideal for busy mornings, full weekends and everything in between. And when your hands are full, the hands-free power tailgate makes loading effortless. The panoramic sunroof uses electrochromic glass, so you can control the view, the light, the mood, one touch, total control. And when it comes to tech, everything's already there. With Google built in, Maps, Assistant and the Play Store are always at the ready, personalized for you. No cables, so there's no need to plug in your phone. And via the Mitsubishi Motors app, you can check vehicle status, activate functions and manage your subscriptions, all from your phone, wherever you are. Prefer voice? Just say, "Hey Google," and Grandis listens. Navigation, music, temperature, even the sunroof, all hands-free. And with over-the-air updates, the system keeps improving. Just smarter features sent straight to your car. The Grandis is equipped with a full range of advanced driver assistance systems, including MyPilot, Mitsubishi Motors' semi-autonomous drive system, which combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering assist for comfort and convenience on long journeys or in traffic. Whether you choose the mild hybrid or the full hybrid, you get smooth, responsive performance with low fuel consumption and low emissions, so it's both powerful and efficient. Want great sound? The Harman Kardon premium audio system gives clarity to every drive, from your morning playlist to a podcast on the way home. And with Mitsubishi Motors' 8-year extended warranty and roadside assistance package, you're covered for the long run. That's peace of mind built in. The Grandis is ready for anything. Designed for young families, built for real life. Because when you know everything just works, you're free to go wherever life takes you with space, style and confidence. The all-new Mitsubishi Grandis will get you there.
ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.